O'Brien.
But like, how long is that gonna take? Because you already had the movie pretty much done, and then you like scrap the whole movie project, and then you scrap the whole Bad Girl project.
You see, the whole thing with WB is just that they're stupid, bro.
Yeah.
I want to be straight with you. They're sitting on gold mine, bro. DC's a gold mine.
Yeah, as far as content, right?
They're gold mine. They're sitting on a gold mine when they decided to actually try to portray to the whole community that's trying to rule everything these days, trying to cancel culture everybody.
Yeah.
Instead of actually going through with, there's more nerds than there is LGBTQ followers.
Facts, bro.
I believe it 1000%.
Because even they're nerds. I'll be honest with you. And then even some of them are like, dude, you are going too far. Like, chill.
Dude,
like,
exactly.
I get it, dude. No one cares about your lifestyle, my dude.
No.
Nobody cares. No one really does, right, Andrew?
No, nobody cares.
You know why?
Dude,
you know why they're mad? Because eventually everybody wants to get married and have kids. That's why. And then they're literally telling them, no, I don't want that life. That's why they're mad.
Dude, it's just Savage Rudy at its highest, bro.
That's why they're mad. Let's be honest.
You're probably right.
No, not probably right. It's true. Oh, this is a woman empowered when she's like in her 35s and not married. You know why you're mad? Because you want to get married. That's why that's why you own a dog or two, because you want to take care of something in your life.
Andrew, put that does to the stop. They're gonna come for us.
You're naturally built to take care of something. Oh, I'm gonna buy a dog. Yeah, I wonder why. Because you want a baby.
You're not wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Wow,
you're not wrong.
That was a revelation, bro.
That was
Rudy
beautiful.
was on something.
You're on
but
fire,
again,
Rudy.
it goes back to this. No one cares about your lifestyle, bro.
No.
Nobody cares.
No one cares about your lifestyle, bro. And he was on some weirdness, having identity crisis. What pronouns are they? Which is like basic English is like the stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life.
It's only 2 pronouns, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Andrew, you have stories, bro. You had a story.
Yeah.
You had a similar story. Ezra Miller drama type person.
Yeah.
Tell me about this.
Hey, hold on. For 2 seconds, guys, we're not hating on the LGBTQ people.
No, of course.
We're just saying that nobody cares.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nobody cares because y'all don't care about Rudy going home and eating a chicken sandwich, right? So let's chill.
Right.
Nobody cares what you identify at the end of the day.
Right.
Because I still identify as Rodeo Sauce or Rudy, Heady Turtle, and Ralph Mama Eats.
Thank you.
But do you go around calling him that all day? No. Why? Because no one cares.
Right.
Thank
We just
you.
say it because it's funny. Chill.
Thank you.
I agree.
Before y'all over here blow up my phone, 30 me and stuff.
I'm with Rudy on this one. Like when it comes back to that and everything, the whole LGBTQ community. Just before I say my story, like he said, you are who you are at the end of the day, but that's good enough for you to know, not for us to know. Nobody in the world really cares. Nobody
really cares.
It is what it is. You want to be whoever you want to be. Knock yourself out. Just know that not everybody else is
in agreement with you.
Amen.
And the movies, that's what I'm saying. Like, make the movies neutral, tell your story.
Please.
Make the movies neutral, tell your story,
Please.
right? Because watch this. When we were growing up, you would see a character like that in a movie and it was like whatever, right?
Yeah,
no one even cared, bro.
Yeah, nobody cared.
Now you're like gearing the whole movie side stories toward the.
In DC and Marvel Universe, portray them right.
Right.
Fine.
But they won't.
Right.
They won't ever do that.
They won't change the Wayne character. Well, they're strong too. Strong where?
bro,
None of their mind supposedly. So let's go.
You ain't wrong, doggy.
Tell me the story,
All right,
Andrew.
here's the story. Papa.
Tell me the story.
So a while back, I went to the store, and I was trying to get gas at the store, and there was this person arguing with the cashier lady, and it was a man that was dressed as a woman, right? And the cashier was telling the person, hey,
An alphabet person.
yeah, an alphabet person, like, hey, here's the money, but pretty much that person didn't like the way that they called them. So pretty much the catcher was like, I'm sorry, I just need your money so I can go to the next person.
Yeah, go to the next person, right? There was a line.
Yeah, there's a line. So then pretty much I was behind them and I was like, hey, look, man, personally, the cashier person doesn't care for what you are. Just, give them the money instead of trying to argue with them about what you are. That person doesn't care. You just try and get your money and move on with your day, So just pay the
no
person.
one cares, right?
Yeah, nobody cares. Just go ahead and pay so you can take off. And that person's like, okay, fine. You know what? I'm out. You're right. Let's go. So I was just like,
but it was about to turn into a whole thing.
Yeah. How simple was that you just said, okay, I realize that.
That's where I'm
at. The thing
at.
is with that is just that, like we were saying a while ago, they want everyone to pretty much like identify them as what they are, but most people don't care.
Let me
about
tell you
those
something.
situations,
Nobody.
That's real life.
Let me tell you something. Acknowledgement is not everything, bro.
But
you
to
know
some
why?
it is.
You know, whenever you find your own happiness in Jesus.
Amen.
You wanna know why?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Once you find your happiness in Jesus, you don't care about acknowledgement.
Right.
You know why? Because you get a group of people like us, believers. I acknowledge Ralph. I acknowledge you.
Same.
I don't gotta tell you every day. I don't.
Oh, that's
No,
facts.
of course.
I don't gotta
That's
tell you every
truth.
day, but you know that we love Jesus. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Now, as far as me mispronouncing pronoun, I'm sorry if I see you as a dude. I'm like, hey, bro, excuse me.
Like,
get out of my way. And if you got a problem with that, bro, no offense. Like I said, like I mentioned earlier, there ain't too many punks down here in Houston, in Texas, bro. So chill.
So chill. But you know what?
But
dude,
another thing with that, like you're saying, Ralph, I mean, if I see you and let's say you're a girl and you actually look like a girl, you look like a man.
That's fine.
Hey, I'm gonna go
People
with
get fooled out every day, yeah.
Of course. But I'm not gonna go out of my way, or we're not gonna go out of our way and be
we
like,
don't care.
oh, by the way, you're a dude, even though I know you're a girl.
I'm trying to hide the fact that I'm buying 2 king size Snickers bars on a diet, and you want me? I'm not worried about what you're wearing. And you want me to you want me to? I'm trying to hide the fact that I have 2 king size sneakers in my hand.
Yeah, man.
When I'm on a diet, and you're over here like trying to embarrass me further, like bro, chill, like. I'm fat already. Like, leave me alone. Like,
leave me alone.
Hey, it's in my calorie deficiency. Like, chill.
I have low blood sugar,
bro. And all this, bro. I'm telling you, like, again, we don't care about the agenda. But the violence needs to stop. You got actors are acting so wild. It's almost as if they think they're above the law, which is crazy because we've always talked about this in movies and film. Always acted like they're above the law. I think it's getting worse now because of, like you said, mindsets like this. Everybody owes me. You owe me your acknowledgement. You owe me your this, that, and the third.
Who owes you what? That's the question I want to know.
I don't know.
For Christ's sakes, the only thing that you know who owes me? Me. I owe myself.
You're right, dog.
At the end of the day, bro.
I'm preaching, bro.
I'm
right
being
now.
serious. The only thing that we owe, bro, is we owe our lives to the Christ, and that's it. Facts.
We're not worthy.
And us three could actually attest to that. At the end of the day, the only thing we owe is our lives to the Lord. That's it.
That's it.
I don't owe you nothing.
I agree.
I don't owe you nothing. You work hard for your money. Spend your money the way you want to.
Yeah.
I don't care. You want to buy a dress with it? That's your deal, homie.
Knock yourself out, brother.
Knock yourself out, because I'm buying these 2 sneaker bars trying to sneak out of here. You over here tripping.
I won't judge you. You know